What's the meaning of bridge building? Bridge building. Bridge building.
Bridge building. Bridge building. Bridge building refers to the act of creating connections or fostering relationships between people or groups who may have different beliefs, cultures, or backgrounds. The result of successful bridge building is increased understanding and collaboration, leading to strengthened relationships, improved communication, and the ability to work together towards a common goal. This can be particularly important in areas such as diplomacy, business, and community development, where effective communication and cooperation are key to success. By building bridges between individuals and groups, we can promote mutual respect, tolerance, and appreciation for diversity, ultimately contributing to a more peaceful and harmonious world.